splashing, colors crashing. Who makes magic like this?
An artist!
Artists draw, paint, sculpt, and build ideas you can see. Some use brushes, some use tablets. Even squishy clay can become something amazing. Artists show feelings with colors.
Happy,
Calm.
bold.
The colors they use tells you the mood.
They share their art in galleries.
Online for the whole world. This is so much fun!
Want to become an artist? Take classes and practice every day. If you love creating, you might be an artist already.
Imagination is your superpower. What will you create next?
Costume switch. Boom! Actors become different people, bringing characters to life in movies, shows, plays, and commercials.
Heroes, villains, or everyday people, actors pretend convincingly, making audiences believe every story they tell. Actors use voice, body, and emotions, memorizing lines and following directions to perform scenes perfectly.
Becoming an actor takes training, acting classes, practice, and performing in school plays or community theatre. Experience grows step by step, from local productions to bigger roles, building confidence and skill. If you love performing, making people laugh or cry, and using imagination, acting could be your dream job. Next up, can you guess the job Bitsy's thinking about?
Hey, explorers! Tom B here, ready to zoom into another awesome job in a jiffy.
Oh no! Someone made money and now it's all scrambled. The numbers are out of whack. Who's brave enough to save the day?
It's the accountant, a super number hero who keeps money safe and tidy for people and businesses. Accountants prepare money reports, balance the books, make sure every number is in its perfect place. They've got epic tools to save the day. Calculators, computers, and ledgers that tell the story of money. Accountants are heroes who help people save money, make smart choices, and plan for epic adventures ahead.
Let's suit up and be accountants for a moment. Spot the sneaky number. Is it right or wrong? Yes, accountants always spot mistakes and save the day.
Do you love numbers, solving tricky puzzles, and helping others make smart choices?
You might just have the superpower to be an accountant.
First, you train your number powers in school. Then you study money to become super smart. Some accountants even earn special hero badges to show they're experts.
Accountants are everyday heroes. They keep money honest, organized, and clear. And when the numbers are right, life just works better.
Another job saved in a jiffy. Keep your explorer powers ready. See you next time.